Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to transfer Bitcoin from your Cash App to another wallet. This is a simple way to move your cryptocurrency to an external wallet for safekeeping and trading. Let's get started. First, open your Cash App. From the home screen, tap Bitcoin. If you don't have any Bitcoin yet, you can first buy it in Cash App before following these steps. Next, scroll down the deposit Bitcoin. Here can view or copy your wallet address. I have already copied the address of the wallet I want to send to. Scroll back up to send arrow on the right side of the screen, then select Bitcoin. In the middle of the screen, choose whether you the amount in Bitcoin or in USD. I'll choose the Bitcoin option and enter my full available balance. Tap send at the bottom. Now paste the Bitcoin ID, address of the wallet you want to send to. Tap on the address again. Next to the blue arrow to confirm it, select, then tap next. Choose your delivery speed, standard, priority or rush. I will choose standard since I am not in a hurry. Review your order details, including the wallet address, amount, USD value, and estimate arrival times. When ready, tap confirm and send. Your Bitcoin transfer has now been initiated. You get a notification once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain. It's a smooth and easy process, and now your Bitcoin is on its way to your other wallet. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Cash App tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.